Welcome to Motiva Mind Studio. Meditate, motivate, sleep and repeat. Welcome. I invite you to take a gentle pause in your day, a moment just for you. Wherever you are right now, whether you are sitting, lying down, or simply listening, allow yourself to settle. This is a short but powerful practice. A deep breathing exercise designed especially for beginners to calm your mind, relax your body, and restore your inner balance. You don't need any special equipment. You don't need experience. All you need is yourself, and the willingness to slow down. As you follow along, I encourage you to release distractions. Let your phone rest. Close your eyes if it feels comfortable. This is your time, your space, your gentle return to stillness. So, together let us begin. Start by noticing your posture. If you are sitting, allow your shoulders to drop. If you are lying down, let your body sink deeper into the surface beneath you. Now gently place one hand on your belly and the other hand over your heart. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Feel your belly rise under your hand. Pause for just a moment. And now exhale softly through your mouth, letting your body release tension. We will begin a gentle rhythm together. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2. Exhale 2, 3, 4. Very good. Continue at this slow pace. Breathing in, filling your lungs with calm. Breathing out, releasing stress, worry, and tension. Each breath is like a wave, flowing in and flowing out, rising and falling. As you breathe, allow your mind to drift inward. Notice the subtle feeling of air entering and leaving. Notice how your heartbeat begins to soften, how your body begins to rest. If your thoughts wander, it is okay. Simply notice and return gently to the breath. Let's take a deeper breath now. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 2. Exhale through your mouth for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel your body melt with release. Now imagine with each inhale, you are breathing in light warmth and peace. And with each exhale, you are letting go of heaviness, worry, and anything you do not need. Your breath is your anchor, your safe space, your constant guide back to calm. Breathe naturally now, and simply listen. You are safe. You are present. You are at ease. Allow yourself to feel gratitude for this moment. Gratitude for your breath. Gratitude for the stillness you have created. Each time you practice this, you strengthen your ability to return to calm even in the midst of life's noise. Let's take 3 final deep breaths together. Inhale deeply. Exhale fully. Inhale again slowly. Exhale with release. One last breath in. And a gentle exhale out. Beautiful. You have given yourself this gift of presence, and your mind thanks you. As we bring this session to a close, notice how your body feels. Notice the sense of lightness. Notice the calm that flows through you. Take this feeling with you into the rest of your day, or, if you are preparing for rest, allow yourself to drift into a peaceful sleep. Remember, your breath is always with you. At any moment, you can pause and return to this calm. Thank you for sharing this space with me. May you carry this peace wherever you go. May your heart remain light. May your mind remain clear. Until next time, be gentle with yourself and breathe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.